Good morning. Once again, she's making me do the intro, which I'm not very good at.
You look like a newsreader when you do that.
Yes, hello.
Okay, Carl Stefanovic.
Randy. Anyway, welcome, and we're going to get straight into it so I don't have to talk anymore.
So the first question is from Melancholy.
Okay.
Mel and
That's a bit
Collie
depressing,
asks,
sure.
it is a bit depressing. Do you work on public holidays?
Me? No, I don't. Look, if I need to, absolutely.
Yeah.
But I prefer to. Most people are away, and I think that it's important for us to. Our office does close for rentals, and
Yep.
our rental agency does need a break. You know,
Yeah.
they work very hard, and we do close on public holidays. I think there's only, one day where you're legally not allowed to work.
Which
I
is
think that
Anzac Day.
which is
So
Anzac
I wanted
Day.
to make
Yeah,
make that very
but
clear.
that's more of a sale thing than rental. But we close anyway on public holidays. So, but I know that's probably a little bit different for sales.
Yeah, look, from the sales point, we definitely do not work on Anzac Day. For me personally, I think it's also respectful not to work on Anzac Day, just as a sign of respect for where we are and the people who have paid their life. Other than that, and obviously Christmas Day, I will work public holidays if I have to and it's needed.
All right. So the next question is, pineapple on pizza? Yes or no?
I think pineapple should go on everything. I love pineapple.
On everything.
Oh no, okay, maybe not everything, but I love pineapple on pizza.
Don't exaggerate like that. How dare you?
What?
Don't go on everything.
It's
Come on.
it is delicious, and on a pizza, it is delicious.
Yeah. No, I don't mind it. It's not something that I dislike. I know it's one of those things that some people just, oh my God, shouldn't be there. I'm not one of those people at all.
It's a fruit. It's not meant on
Look, it's
pizza.
It's a nice juicy fruit, isn't it? The only thing is when it's so hot and it burns your mouth. That's the only thing that I do hate.
Burns
But-
the top of your
Yeah,
mouth.
but otherwise, no, it's absolutely fine. I know Kate will only get pineapple on pizza, so
Yeah.
she loves it, and she's one of those people. But
Yeah.
yeah, no, definitely. I think it can belong on there if you like it. Just because you don't like it doesn't mean somebody else can't eat it.
And you
or
know
vice
what?
versa.
Pineapple on chicken burgers too. Delicious.
Yep. So from grilled and things like that.
Yeah. So for all you haters out there that don't like pineapple, we can't be friends. We can't be.
No, but if you want to sell or rent, then we are.
But
friends,
then
yes.
we are friends, yes, that's fine. Anyway, thanks for the good
Awesome.
questions this week, and we'll see you next
Thank
week.
you. Cheers.